Early retirement. It's a dream for many, isn't it? The idea of leaving the workforce early while still healthy and vibrant is incredibly appealing. Imagine a life unshackled from the 9-to-5 grind, free to pursue passions and adventures. Picture yourself exploring new hobbies, traveling to exotic locations, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of your own home. No more alarm clocks, no more commutes, just the freedom to design your days as you please. You can wake up naturally, savor your morning coffee, and plan your day around what truly matters to you. This is the allure of early retirement, a life of self-determination and fulfillment. It's about having the time to invest in your personal growth, relationships, and well-being. But it's not just about escaping the daily grind. It's about reclaiming your time and energy for the things that bring you joy and satisfaction. Early retirement also signifies financial independence, the ability to live life on your terms without being beholden to a paycheck. It means having the resources to support your lifestyle without the need for a traditional job. It's about having the financial security to pursue your dreams, whether it's traveling the world, starting a business, or simply spending more time with loved ones. You can focus on what truly matters to you. The path to early retirement and financial independence is within reach for many. It may seem daunting, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's achievable. It requires careful planning, discipline, and a bit of inspiration. You'll need to set clear goals, create a solid financial plan, and stay committed to your vision. Let's embark on this journey together. With determination and the right approach, early retirement can be more than just a dream. It can be your reality. Financial independence means different things to different people. For some, it might mean retiring early and living a life of leisure. For others, it could be about having the security to pursue a passion project or start a new business without the fear of financial instability. At its core, it's about having enough wealth to cover your living expenses indefinitely without relying on a job. This means having investments, savings, or other income sources that generate enough money to sustain your lifestyle. It's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time and resources. Whether you want to travel the world, volunteer for causes you believe in, or simply spend more time with family and friends, financial independence gives you that choice. Imagine never having to worry about paying your bills or making ends meet. The peace of mind that comes with knowing you are financially secure is invaluable. Imagine having the resources to pursue your passions, support causes you care about, and experience the world without financial constraints. You could explore new hobbies, invest in personal growth, and make a positive impact on your community. This is the essence of financial independence. It's not just about money, it's about the freedom, security, and opportunities that come with it. Achieving financial independence is a journey, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Every journey needs a destination, and the path to financial independence is no different. Just like a traveler needs a map, you need a plan to reach your financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is crucial to stay motivated and track your progress. These goals act as milestones that guide you along the way. Start by determining your retirement expenses. This includes everything from daily necessities to long-term plans. How much money will you need each month to maintain your desired lifestyle? Think about your current spending and how it might change in the future. Consider housing, food, transportation, healthcare, leisure, and any other expenses. Each of these factors plays a significant role in your financial planning. Next, determine your retirement timeline. Setting a clear date helps you stay focused and work towards a tangible goal. When do you want to retire? The age you choose will impact how much you need to save and invest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest can significantly boost your savings over time. With a clear target in sight, you can chart a course and start making progress. Regularly review and adjust your plan to stay on track. Charting your course. Saving and budgeting. Saving and budgeting are the cornerstones of financial independence. They're the essential tools that will help you accumulate wealth and reach your goals. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending and redirect those funds towards savings. Consider automating your savings so you consistently put money aside each month. Remember, even small, consistent savings can add up to significant amounts over time. Investing, navigating the seas of opportunity. Investing is like setting sail on the open sea of financial opportunity. It allows your money to grow over time, outpacing inflation and accelerating your journey towards early retirement. There are various investment options available, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. It's essential to diversify your investments to manage risk and maximize returns. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your risk tolerance and financial goals.